I want to show you one of the best platform that you can use when it comes to TCF exam. This platform, I've been talking about it for some time now. Some people have started using it already, while some people, I see that they don't know how useful this platform is. So in this video, I want to take you through the feature of this platform. This is it. You can see the name is TCF Master. So when you come on this platform, you have to go, you see, you have English and the French. You can toggle it. Then you have here, click on that, and then you can have access to this dashboard. You see, this is a dashboard. You see, this is my performance, my activity on the platform, how many minutes that's spent on the exercise. All those things are there. Then clicking on it, when you click on that, you come on here, you can click on dashboard. Then you have this place where you say learning center. This is the best place I always advise everybody to go into first, because here you are going to learn everything you must know before you start practicing the other things. Because here you have what, a full exam, you have a listening, you have a reading, you have writing, you have speaking. But before you start practicing all those things as a beginner, come to learning center. Click on learning center. Then you come here, you see grammar. This is grammar. You have a conjugaison, you have a vocabulaire, you have pronunciation, you have reading library. You understand? So those are the things you can see under learning center. Do you want to learn grammar? Do you want to learn conjugation? Do you want to learn words like vocabulary words? Do you want to learn pronunciation? Just choose the one you want. But today I want to focus on conjugation. Click on conjugation. Then you come up here, you choose your level, your class. You understand? So if you are A1 student, just click on A1. If you are A2, just select the one you want. For example, now let me do something. You see, I will click on A1 here. Then come down here, you can see you have verb to have, you have to be, to go, to eat, to like. So all those verbs that you must learn in A1 will show up here. You understand? So you can select any verb you want first. But one thing I want you to know is that this platform is for English people that want to learn French language. But at the same time, if you are a French person, it doesn't limit you not to use the platform, because you can come here and click on French. You understand? When you click on French, that is what you are trying to change all those things into French language. You can see now. You can see that my first verb is to have, I tend to avoir. Tend to avoir, and then être, aller, parler. You can see. So those are things I'm talking about. So no matter your language, you can learn on this platform easily. Alright, so let us move on. Let me choose one verb. Now, click on avoir. Voila. This is how it will display on your screen. You can access this platform on your phone also. You understand? So this verb we are talking about is verb of third group. Is also auxiliary verb. You understand? So you can read the instruction about it. You see, I've changed it into French, so all the information here are in French language. But if you're English speaker, you can change it to English. You understand? Alright, so now we do that information here, but I'm not going to waste time on that. So let us come here. This is present tense. So if you want to conjugate verb avoir au présent, you can see ici you have j'ai, tu as, il, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont. Now the most important part of it is that in the front here you have the English. You understand? So it's good for English and French speakers. So you have I have, you have, he, she, it has. So all those things are very important, so you know what you are saying. Then look at passé composé. Passé composé here. J'ai eu, I had, tu as eu, you had. So all those things you can go to them, master them on this platform. Very, very important. And then also you can click on click here to see the details. You understand? You see the full details about passé composé, how to use it. Then imparfait, and then futur simple. You have conditionnel. This is one of the things that is very advanced when it comes to presentation, when you talk about you want to be polite, you need to master this conditionnel. All right, now subjunctive, very very advanced when it comes to making some sentences, especially people that in B1 B2, you need to master subjunctive. So it's here you can see that when we are saying that I have, French is saying what? Que j'ai. Look at it, that you have, but here we have what? Que tu es. You can see. Now look at that we have. This is present tense. We have. That we have. But in French, what is that? Que nous ayons. So you need to master this. Very very important. So this platform is going to help you to master not only this verb, all the verbs. Now let me show you one thing. You can see here, you have practice here. So you can see here, you can come here and practice this thing. See this tu as, etc. You can see. So passé composé. So you can see it yourself. You understand? So let me show you something that I like about this platform. For example, this verb that we are working on now, maybe there's a verb that you don't know how to conjugate that verb. Just come here and type that verb. Just write the verb, maybe let's say verb parler. Voilà, verb parler. So just click on generate. Voila, you can see this is parler. Now communiquer par la parole avec quelqu'un. That's the meaning of parler. You understand? So if you want to conjugate this verb in passé composé, you need to use auxiliary avoir. You see, very very good platform that can help you to master French in few months. You understand? So let's come down here. I don't want to read all those things. Let's come down here. You can see you have the conjugation the same way we see for other verbs. That shows that even though if you don't have those verbs listed on the platform, you can search for it and then go through it and master those things. Very very important. So this is what I want to show you today. There are other things I will come in another video and explain those things for you again, like conjugation, vocabulary, how to navigate in those subjects. Just click on the link on the comment section. I have other videos on the platform that talk about French, that explain more things about French language. You can go to those videos and watch it. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.